Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving out of New Kingston towards Ligonier. We are on Trafalgar Road and we're going to be turning left onto Lady Musgrave Road. Now, straight ahead on the right is the AC Hotel. It's probably one of the newer hotels just recently built in Kingston. Very nice hotel. It has a Starbucks over there, very popular location, and it has a lounge. Also beside it is a BMW and a Mini dealership. So this is Lady Musgrave Road and we're heading towards Ligonier. Okay, on the left is Argyle Avenue and that will take us into the residential part of New Kingston. That's where you find a lot of apartments and quite a few are still under construction. Okay, on the left is, if we turn left, we'd go on to Lady Musgrave Road, but we continued straight across the light and we're now on Montrose Road. Okay, now straight ahead is Vail Royal. That's it, straight ahead. And that's the official residence of the Prime Minister of Jamaica. However, the Prime Minister does not live there. He has his personal home up in Beverly Hills, but Vail Royal is the official home of the Prime Minister. Now, quite a few Prime Ministers have chosen not to live there and lived in their personal residence. But when it was just built back in the day, that is where the Prime Minister used to live. All right, we're now at the intersection with Seymour Avenue. Turn left, we take Seymour Avenue to Ligonier. Turn right, we take Seymour Avenue back to Old Hope Road, sorry. So this area now is what they call the Golden Triangle. And you're going to find a lot of apartments. Outside of the Millsboro area, this area has the most apartments in the St. Andrew Parish or the city of Kingston. Alright, on the left is a open lot. It's actually a developer purchased 3 homes and they were to build apartments over there. So they purchased the homes, demolished the homes, and they're waiting to start the development. Okay, we're now passing over Hopefield Avenue. Alright, we're going to turn left onto Hopefield. And if we had turned right, we'd take Hopefield up towards Campion and back to Hope Road. As you can look on the left and the right, almost every block or every residence, every plot of land basically has apartments on it. Alright, we're going to turn here and take a look at a very special complex now. Now, straight ahead is Upper Montrose Road. And you're going to see where you see that blue gate. This apartment structure now is in violation of the, I guess you could say, the law. That's it right there. This is Upper Montrose. And this area does not allow for apartment buildings. However, the apartments were built, or while the apartments were in the process of being built, the residents took the contractor, the developer, to court, and the court ordered that the apartments were to be stopped. However, the apartments were built, and recently the court made a ruling that the apartments were to be demolished. However, as you can see, they're still there. And I'm not sure what the next step is in the legal process, but the court ruled the apartments were to be removed or destroyed because that area does not allow apartments to be built. As you can see, literally, you drive off that road off Upper Montrose and you're onto Hopefield, and every piece of land has apartments on it. So it's quite strange. However, the court did rule, and I'm not sure what the latest is, but that's what that apartment complex is most popular for. All right, here we are on Hopefield, and as you can see, apartments. When we see apartments, some are townhouses, some are apartments, but basically they're all gated communities. On the left is construction of more apartments or townhouses. Now on the right is Campion College. It's one of the top schools in Jamaica. It's actually the number 2 school in Jamaica, and it has been for many years. Immaculate Conception High School is the number 1 school in Jamaica. And every year when the CSEC passes come out, they rank the schools according to the schools with the best passes, etc., etc., and that's how they get that ranking. All right, this is now Hope Road. You can't turn right because it's a dual carriageway, but if we were to head in the right or in the opposite direction, we go towards Ligony. We turn left on Hope Road and we're heading back towards Halfway Tree. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and also leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.